It was the night before Christmas.
Strawberry Jello mold. It's one of my favorites. It's from my childhood. My mom used to make it for Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, and my sister had the recipe. So now I'm going to make it for you. All right, I have a 6-ounce package of Strawberry Jello. And I have 2 cups of boiling water. Going to have to stir it until all the gelatin has dissolved. I'm going to need to let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes before we can move on to the next step. All right, our Jello has been cooling in the fridge. I'm going to add half a cup of cold water. And we're going to keep stirring. And then sour cream. I love this recipe. I love Jello. So now I'm going to add what were frozen strawberries. I let them defrost and drain, and then I cut them up. So they don't look pretty, but they're going to taste delicious. And I believe this draining thing was hers too. Now, I did see another package of frozen strawberries. That had a lot of added sugar in it. This one does not. It does have sugar, but not as much as that other one. Now, the instructions say let it chill for 4 hours, but I recommend overnight. Okay. Now, I have my pan. I think this was hers also. So I'm going to spray it because I'm really worried about it sticking. I don't want to risk overfilling. I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it chill overnight, and we're going to taste it tomorrow. It's not, oh, okay. Now I'm going to attempt to invert this. So, it is chilled overnight. Oh my gosh. Well, I got most of it. Look at that. Strawberry Jello mold. This is from my childhood. Haven't had it in a long time. Required a little bit of practice to get it going, but it's delicious.
Who doesn't love Jello?
I know. Some people don't, but...
We never had this as a kid, but we sure ate a lot of Jello.
Oh yeah, you did?
As daring as my mother got was different flavors mixed together. Delicious.
Now the big question is always, side dish or dessert?
Probably dessert.
I could have it any time. I really like it. I love strawberries. You could probably do with other flavors, but I've only ever had strawberry. So I highly recommend this recipe.
Yeah.
And we're going to be eating a lot of it, but that's okay. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos twice a week, and the recipes in the description box. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Do you feel like you're 10 years old again?
Kind of. Mm-hmm.
Nice. Can I pull your hair?
No. Is that what you did when you were 10 years old?
Yeah.